Okay, we have a cheese facility, a liquidation coming up, September 17th. I'll take you for a little tour around the factory, HTST. There's some separators, a tank. It's making matzo cheese blocks, shredded cheese. There's the cabinets for the HTST. Got some smaller kettles, heat exchangers, cheese equipment, blocks, vats. One, two, three. Nice pump. This is all up online. We are looking at offers if someone wants multiple units before the auction. Nice multi-vac. Vacuum sealers, steam tunnel, another vacuum sealer, cup filler over here. All right, I'll do part two with some of the packaging line in a second.